Hi mga ka-real estate buddy, this is Robert Ravelo. So I'm here now at Rochester Condominium dito sa may San Joaquin, Pasig City. If you're looking for condominium unit na accessible po sa Makati through Kalayaan Avenue, accessible po sa BGC and Ortigas area, so highly recommended po itong Rochester Condominium. Very accessible po ito, plus very convenient po to kasi may mga nearby establishment na rin po, restaurants, fast foods, banks na sa labas po mismo ng vicinity. In terms of transportation po, meron po tayong available dito na 24/7 na PUJ going to Shaw Boulevard, Quiapo, going to Marikina, and then of course through FX, meron din po tayo rito going to BGC, Biniz. So dun po sa mga interested na investors, message lang po kayo sa aking Facebook page na Rochester Condominium, and then you can also dial my number 0915-220-2318. Have a great day. Bye!